Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm back with a new video and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a way to make money just by losing weight and working out. Yes, you can do this. It seems fishy or a scam, but it is right, guys. It is legit and you can make money just by losing weight. So if you're looking to get some extra money just for losing weight, there are some few apps out there that you can use to make some extra money, okay? And the best one for me, guys, is Healthy Wage. I thought to myself that must be a scam, so I did some research and I was taking a look at some reviews and also some testimonials, and it turned out to be legit and right. So what you're seeing here, guys, is the income proof of someone that lost around 15 pounds and made $656 just by losing weight and doing something that he already want to do. Okay, so he already decided to lose weight, so why not using this website to make some extra money? You're already losing weight. Okay, so $656 for 15 pounds. This is a $35 for 1 pound. Yes, a $35 for 1 pound you lost. This is amazing. What I should preface, guys, is that you won't get rich by doing this, okay? You will get some extra money with this app that pay you to walk, that it can be a great way to pad your bank account, that it won't get you rich, okay? That it won't make you rich. Knowing that you are getting monetary benefit for getting off the couch may give you that extra boost you need, okay? So what is Healthy Wage, guys? Healthy Wage offers people the opportunity to earn cash for losing weight. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. So it pays you just to lose weight, it pays you just to work out. You can earn cash for losing weight. It sounds too good to be true, but you heard it right. Okay, the company was founded in 2009 and the headquarters of the company is in New York, and part of their mission is to provide ways to have a measurable impact of the growing obesity epidemic in the United States. So they do this by legitimately offering cash prizes to make weight loss and fitness more fun and effective. So since Healthy Wage was founded, they have been featured in many magazines, and like the New York Times, and also some TV shows like CNN, okay, and other TV shows like Today, and also blogs and websites. Okay, so they do this by legitimately offering prices to make people losing weight and making it fun and effective. So this is a legit website that you will have to visit if you are planning anyway to make some to lose some weight. Okay, so how it works, it is really easy. You should calculate your price, okay, using the calculator here. This is the calculator, okay? So you use the calculator to enter your goal and to calculate your winning. What you should do, for example, if you are planning to lose 13 pounds in 9 months and you are betting $50 per month, you're gonna win between $500 and $1,300 by the end of the 9th month. Okay, if you lose 13 pounds, of course. So the second thing that you have to do is to make your bet. The bet that is here, okay? The more you increase the bet, the more you will get in this reward. For example, let's make it $100, okay? Are you seeing this? Now it was between 500 and 13,000. Now it is between $1,000 and $1,800. Okay, the third thing you have to do is to lose weight. Okay, you won't get paid if you don't lose weight. If you lose weight, you will lose the bet also. I mean, if you don't lose the weight, the 13 pounds in 9 months, you will lose the bet, $100 that you've been betting each month. Okay, you have to make sure you lose the weight. So this is a great boost for you to lose weight. Why? Because you don't want to slack off, and also you don't want to lose your money. Okay, so you're betting on something. It means that that thing will push you to lose weight. And the fourth thing, guys, is to win money. Okay, so this is how it works. So it is really simple, and money motivates. Leading academic research shows that money enhances weight loss success. That what I was talking about, guys. Okay, so it works like that. And how you can make money with it, you essentially bet on yourself how much weight you can lose. Since they are promoting ways to be healthy, your winnings depends on how much you lose and how much you bet. It's a great way to make money and be healthy at the same time. So I would highly suggest to sign up in Healthy Wage and make some extra money just by losing weight that you already want to lose. Okay, so should you use the application? Yes, because it is a legit application. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Those are some success stories. Okay, so Christine here lost 114 pounds in 12 months and made $4,000. Jennifer here made $4,000 and 181 in 10 months by losing 102 pounds. Okay, take a look at those success stories. Okay, so if you think that this is not for you, think again, because first of all, that will push you to lose weight, and second thing is that you will make money by losing weight. So it is healthy and making some extra money. This is a great thing to do, guys. So this is it, guys. If you have some extra time to actually achieve your fitness goals, then go for it. It just requires that you come up with the ideal goal and a time frame to achieve it by, and then you bet some money that says the scale will correspond with your goals. If you achieve your goal, you will have to celebrate two things in that one thing. The first thing that you will have to celebrate is your new self, your new body. Okay, and the second thing that you will have to celebrate is the hefty cash prize cut that you will get from a Healthy Wage. So this is Healthy Wage, guys. I think that you will like it. Okay, so go for it, check it. And if you want to lose some weight, this could be a great way to do it. Okay, getting paid and losing weight at the same time. It is legit. It will pay you through PayPal. Okay, and you will get some hefty price cash from it. So why not trying it? Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one.